Coronavirus, it's getting real. It's getting real. It's really real. It's getting real. It's really real. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sinclaire, and I'm so glad that you guys are here for today's video. Like promised, I said I was going to give you guys a PLT haul, and yet and behold, today I have a PLT haul. Let me go get the bag. This is the bag. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I think I got like $200 worth of stuff. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel, because more than 70% of the people who watch my videos are actually not subscribed. So yeah, girl, subscribe to my channel and let's get into these clothes because I'm super excited. And I don't know where this robe is from. It's super cute and it matches my vibe, but I don't know. So I'm real quick and fast, so I just pop it over in my hand and I'm just gonna dump it all over the floor. The first thing that I got is called the Basic Charcoal Gray Bandeau Maxi Dress in a size UK 12. So this right here is that slinky bandeau midi dress that I told you guys about. And I have the wrong bra on. I have like a regular t-shirt bra, but I just cuffed it and put it inside. Usually I wear a strapless bra with this, and it is giving me body. Do you guys hear me? I'm saying body, not Audi. Body, okay? It's giving me body. I'm in love with this. This is it. And baby, if you have one of those waist trainers that are like invisible, where you can like put clothes up under them, on top of them, girl, this one is 10 out of 10. I love it. Size 8 fits amazing. So I got this black zip detail sport stripe sleeveless jumpsuit, size UK 12. Okay, y'all, so this is the next item. You for sure want to make sure that you have on the appropriate undergarments. But this is super cute. I love this black color. It's super sporty. I feel like sporty clothes are starting to become more popular just because of the whole quarantine and everything. Everybody's at home. And I love the legs because it has this slit on the side, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see, but you can see it in the mirror behind me. It makes my butt, in my opinion, look pretty darn good. I love how it has this stripe all the way up, and this zipper here is also zip it all the way up if you wanted to. It fits me. I'm 5'4". I mean, not too long, not too short. It really is amazing. And it hides most of my, I hate this like part of my underarm right here. Like it hides most of that. So that's pretty good. And it shows off a little bit of my arms. And I think this is super sexy, super cute. I'm almost positive they had this in like 3 more colors. So definitely go get you one. This one is called the Pretty Little Thing Wash Black Denim Distressed Shorts and a UK size 16. I'll tell you the US size conversion once I have them on. And then I also have this tan leopard Bardell top in a size UK 12. This is the next 2 items. I probably wouldn't pair them together. If the shorts, I feel like the shorts are a little bit loose. I believe these are US size 12 because they're UK 16. So they're pretty big. I got them in a US size 12 because I thought I had gained, I guess, more weight than I did. Maybe I should have gotten a size 10. I don't mind my pants being baggy, but these are just a bit too much. And these pants, they're not like a 100% true black. They're more of like a charcoalish type of, give you that already kind of worn feel. But I really like that they're distressed. As you guys know, I love everything distressed. This top is so sexy, so beautiful, and it has this instead of always connecting, if you know what I mean, because when it always connects, you can't really move your arms, but because it's not fully connected all the way around, you can move your arm. I really like this print. It has like this velvet cheetah, or is this leopard print on it, which is super cute. As you guys know, I love to show off my back. Really beautiful back here. Really perfect with some body shimmer. So this next piece, you guys, is called the Stone Jersey Underbust Short Sleeve Bodysuit. And I got it in a size UK 12, US 8. And it fits really good. I really like how it feels. It's that jersey material, so it's super stretchy. This underbust going on here, which I love. It doesn't actually give you any uppage, nor do these bindings in the middle actually shrink your waist. It's just meant to give the illusion of a shrunken waist. So if you want to know more about these jeans, definitely check that description box for where I got them. Yes, but I do want to say I have on a brown bra right now, so it's nude. You can still see like the outlining of my bra, so if you're going to wear this, I definitely recommend that you either wear pasties with no bra or wear a bra that's your skin tone, because it is see-through. But it did have a hydrating protector on there, and it does have the snap, so you can unsnap it and snap it when you have to go to the bathroom. Love this color. I don't really have anything in the color stone. There's nothing really else to say. It's just a basic bodysuit. So this is the next shirt. I know it's pulled down super long and you're like, girl, why do you have it like that? That's very mom vibes, very weird. But I just wanted to show you guys how long it is. This shirt is called the White Euphoria printed t-shirt, and I got it in a size UK medium, and it literally is a US medium too. It says Euphoria on there. Hopefully I can watch Euphoria. What's that guy's name? He makes that sound like Euphoria. Oh, Don Toliver. He makes that song, and when I just seen this, I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Let me get it. So, yeah, it just has Euphoria on there. It has a road on there, some mountains on there. It's really cute. I really like it, but basically it's just your basic everyday white tee. Not much to be said. But I have this pale lime high neck sleeveless underbust detail bodycon dress, bodycon shirt, I think. I don't really know. I'm not really sure what this is, so I'm gonna try this on. Let me see. Let's see what this does for your girl. This is really cute, actually. I really love this mint color. It's super pretty, but I definitely have to wear this within the next few weeks, because once it starts becoming fall, this is a no-no for the color. It's just like the other top. It's supposed to give you the illusion of a smaller waist. It actually doesn't give you a smaller waist. I really like how it covers up here. Like, usually most things are like this, so they show like this fat, but it doesn't. This is see-through, so you want to come either no underwear or thong. Very voluptuous, if you know what I mean. But this entire dress is a tad bit itchy, just a smidget. Got this in a US 12, so get yours in whatever size you wear. But I got mine in a US 12, UK 14. And it's not forgiving in this area, so if you eat, it's gonna show you 8, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is the next shirt. As you guys can see, you guys probably already see it because it's a mirror right behind me, but it's basically a nude color shirt, t-shirt. It's really baggy. Let me figure out the name of this. Stone slogan back t-shirt in a size medium. I know you guys are gonna kill me for getting all these t-shirts, but I need t-shirts because school's about to, oh my gosh, you could literally wear this around the house like a dress. It's more like a tunic top, but I need more t-shirts because school is about to start up, and even though I'm gonna be home, I gotta have clothes on so I can be productive. And on the back, it says a whole bunch of God knows what. You could tie it up in the front. You could do a whole bunch of stuff with your shirts that people do. You definitely want to run an iron through this. Just gives me big cozy vibes, and I love that. So the top is called the Black Slinky Asymmetrical Strap Crop Top. I got it in a UK 10, so that's a US 6. And I got this denim skirt. It's too big, but it's the mid-wash, one-sided distressed hem denim skirt. UK 16, so that means US 12. I don't know what I was thinking with the skirt. It kind of fits on my hips, like if it sits on my hips. But I feel like this is bringing me way 2008 vibes. I don't really wear stuff like this anymore, especially since my stomach, my stomach's too big to have my stomach out. But the distressing on this leg is really cute on this skirt. I love the frame that it has all throughout. The color of the denim is actually really nice. I actually really like this, and it's not stretchy denim material, it's rigid, so that makes it a really good denim skirt. And then this top, I don't really have to do too much explaining about this top. It's super cute. I really like it. It's really cute, and it shows a little bit of chest if you're into that type of thing as well. But if you're not, you can always order your size. Like I said, I did size down. The next two pieces are this black textured tie front shirt in a size UK 12 or US 8, I believe. Yes, US 8. And then for the skirt, it's the black chain print mesh lettuce hem skirt in a size UK 16, US 12. And the US 12 in this one actually does fit. Like, I don't know, the sizing is super weird. But I'm in love with this outfit. It's really cute. I really like how it looks. It's double lined here. I really like this print. It reminds me of like Versace or something. Definitely my style, my vibe. 10 out of 10 for me. It's not all the way tight, it's just wrapped around my bra, but you could tie it here, or you could like have it loose and tight and wear some jeans with it. It's really just up to you on how you would like to wear this. Overall, still really cute. Give me some ideas on where I should go to wear this, because I need somewhere to wear this before summer's over. I have to like get in at least one cute outfit. This last item is the Shape Denim, the Shape Dusty Blue Slinky cowl neck bodysuit in a size UK 12, so that means it's a US 8. And I love this. Oh my gosh, I don't have anything that's like cowl neck, and I feel like this is super cute for summer. It shows a lot of cleavage when you bend over, so be careful of that. Catch me out in these streets with it on, because I will be repping it, okay? I don't know, it kind of gives me that like mothery, maternal vibe. I don't know, it's very cute. I don't know, it's beautiful, and I think you should pick you up one, especially if you don't have one in your closet, and get a few wears out of it before it starts to get cold outside. So I have two more things here. One of them is called this pale lime high neck sleeveless underbust detail bodycon size UK 14. And I'm pretty sure this is a duplicate of that green dress that I had on earlier. I'm not sure why they sent me two, but they did. I don't know what's going on, pretty little thing. Maybe I ordered it, I don't know. I am kind of like, not ditzy, but like, sometimes I'll make a cart and then I'll like make another cart, so then it might be like quantity 2 instead of quantity 1. So maybe it's my fault, but I don't know. I have to check my order. The next one is a hat. It's called the Black Cotton Floppy Bucket Hat. Obviously, one size. I'm so excited to put this hat on. It is, oh, I got this hair. I don't know if my big old head can fit in this. I'm pretty sure it can, and if not, I'll just hike it to the back of my head, or it's a little bit smaller. Super cute. I love this. It doesn't say anything on it. It's just black. I love everything that I got from Pretty Little Thing, even though two of the items were a little bit too big, which was the denim shorts and the denim skirt. Those items unfortunately were a little too big, and I'll have to return them or get them taken in. I still love them. Overall, the quality was there. The style was there. Pretty Little Thing is going to be my go-to site. I'm going to start shopping there more often, because honestly the sizing wasn't too hard to figure out what was my size. Definitely recommend PLT if you're looking for cute, trendy, affordable clothes. Yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.